Hi there. Hey, welcome to our new outcome. I can graph linear equalities using standard form. All right, so it's basically the same process as before, except we will see a couple of inequalities written in standard form. So if, for example, we had 2x minus 3y is greater than or equal to 18. All right, so we have to have a reminder of how to graph in standard form. I know there are some of you who really like to do this by solve for y. So you find how to solve for y. You subtract 2x and divide by -3. Some of you are real good at it, and then get it into that slope-intercept form. Okay. Others of you, many of us, made that teeny tiny table of x and y. So we found out, what if x is 0? What if y is 0? Well, if x is 0, 2 times 0 minus 3y is greater than or equal to 18. Okay, that turns to 0. Divide by -3. Make sure you know it's a negative. Y is greater than or equal to -6. So that's our y-intercept. Right now, even before I do anything else, I'm going to put that y-intercept on my graph because we have had trouble in the past. So that y is -6. That's down here. Ooh, do that again. There we go. Okay, what if y is 0? Well, then we've got 2x minus 3 times 0 greater than or equal to 18. Okay, so that goes away. Divide by 2, and x is greater than or equal to 9. So we're just imagining that this is an equal sign until we graph our line. Okay, so we get it's greater than 9. Okay, so that's my other point. I'm going to put that on the line, x of 9. That's right here. Then I have to graph my line straight through those points. Is it solid or dashed? Well, that will tell us it's going to be a solid line. I'm going to make it a little thinner than what it was. Well, that's pretty darn good. Okay, that's the first step. Remember, graph the line. Test and figure out if it's solid or dashed. Then you have to test. We are not done yet on this problem. I am going to test 0, 0. I expect to see what you are going to test on your paper, on your test, on your, right now, on your problem. So here we go, test 0, 0. So we've got 2 times 0 minus 3 times 0. It's greater than or equal to 18. Okay, well this becomes 0 minus 0. 0 is greater than or equal to 18. That's false. 0 is not bigger than 18. So remember, that means like this is false. Everything over here is false. So we shade the true part, shade the true side. So everything over here is true because this was the false. Okay, so I'm going to shade the true part. Okay, I want you to write down a part that might confuse you, that might be confusing to you. If there's no part confusing, then great, write that, okay, and bring it to class. Thanks very much.